All right, so I just wanted to show everybody around the pod filler two-piece. So this is it fully collapsed. You could pull the strings in just to get those out of the way. But this top ring is a beauty ring and accent color so that the middle piece can't come all the way up and out. But whenever you're ready to put it up, fully 3D printed carabiner. Not going to take credit for that, but printed in PET G, super strong, super durable, easy threads on it, but take it. And at my local field, we would be using a canopy, like a pop-up tent, but I've got a chain in the garage, so that'll work just fine. So once it's hanging up, I just wanted to take a chance to show how strong this is. So about 1,000 rounds of paint is roughly 6.5, 7 pounds. This is a 15-pound dumbbell. And I mean, I wouldn't throw this dumbbell in here, but on its own, everything handles the weight perfectly fine. So this is all the paint that I have on hand right now, but I've got an HK jug that's right around halfway, roughly 600 rounds. And with 600 rounds in it, this is about what it looks like. So you can see it's got room for way, way more in there. So the only thing left after you fill it up with paint is just grab your pod, slide it forward, fills you up. Sometimes you'll lose a ball here or there, but if you release pretty slowly on the mechanism, you can catch those ones that would fall. So just kind of depends.